Welcome back, everyone. Today we are looking at how to completely customize your list styles in Webflow. The standard black dots can get a little boring, so we're going to swap those out for your very own custom images or icons. It's a super quick process, so let's dive straight into the designer and get it done. First, you need to bring a list element onto your page. Once it's sitting on your canvas, go ahead and give it a specific class name so we can easily target it later. After that, open up your Assets panel and upload the specific image or icon you want to use for your new custom design. While you're still looking at your assets, click the link icon right next to that new image to copy its URL because we're going to need it in just a second. Now it's time to add a tiny bit of custom CSS. The best way to do this so you can actually see what you're doing is to drag an embed element right onto your page. Inside that embed, you'll open up a style tag. First, you need to target the exact class name you gave your list and set its list style type to none. This completely hides those default dots. Next, you'll target the list items inside that same class by using a before selector. This is where the magic happens. You'll set the background image property and simply paste in that image URL you copied earlier. You can also adjust the height, width, and background size properties right there in the code to make sure your custom icon sits perfectly next to your text. And there you have it, completely custom list designs in just a few minutes. If this quick trick helped you polish up your Webflow project today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials. Let me know down in the comments what kind of Webflow roadblock you want me to solve next, and I will see you in the next one.